Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Today I'm gonna show you my mom's homemade coleslaw dressing. 4 ingredients. Today we're gonna do a 1/3 cup of everything. So a 1/3 cup white sugar, a 1/3 cup white vinegar, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and a 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Now I've made this dish many times before, and I've always tried to think, how can I do this with the least amount of dishes? I think I figured it out. If you start with the sugar, again, 1/3 of a cup, and then we add our wet liquids, so white vinegar, steady. Oh, that was shaky. Shaky. Then we're gonna add our vegetable oil, and then I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen here now. Because we added the oil, now when we throw our mayo in, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Some may even call this science, but I'm no scientist. I'm just a guy that doesn't like doing dishes. So watch this, Jamie. Boom. Boom. So we made this whole dressing with a 1/3 cup measuring cup and 1 spoon. I'm gonna throw in a very generous amount of black pepper. That's a pretty generous amount. And then I'm gonna throw in some salt. So I'm gonna say maybe, if I'm guessing, half a teaspoon of salt and probably half a tablespoon of pepper. So we're gonna throw this into our shaker here, and then we're just gonna shake it up and try not to jiggle. So that is it. That's your homemade coleslaw dressing. So that's gonna make roughly a cup, which kind of makes sense. Third. So our dressing, that's done. So in order to make this perfect, amazing coleslaw dressing, you could either buy those bags of the pre-shredded cabbage, which is way easier, or you could just slice cabbage yourself. Today we have a bag of the pre-shredded stuff, that's what we're gonna use, but I definitely wanna make sure this gets into the fridge and chills before I pour it out.